This is grade 3 fluency. We are in module 3 and lesson 11. We're going to start off by skip counting to find the answer to the problem 5 times 8 equals 40. We could count by 5s and get there quite easily, but we are going to be counting by 8s because we're moving forward with our multiplication skills. So we're going to count by 8, and we're going to hold up your fingers to show how many times we should have 5 fingers held up to get to our answer, starting with 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So if you look at that, you've got 5 fingers up. 5 times 8 does equal 40. You can check that by counting by 5s 8 times, and you'll get that same answer. This is fluency. Let's look at the next one, 3 times 8. So again, we're going to skip count. How many fingers? Well, 3 fingers this time, and we'll start with 8 again. 8, 16, 24. Alrighty, so 3 times 8 is 24. We could also count by 3s, get that same answer if we counted by 3s and did through 8 times. So we could try that. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. We get the same answer. So that's a way you can check both ways. Let's look at the next one. 4 times 8, we are once again going to skip count by 8s. So we'll do it through 4 times. So 8, 16, 24, 32. Why are we doing this? Again, familiarity, to get you comfortable with these answers, with these numbers, with counting and being able to skip count, because that's always a tool that you can use if you're not certain of where you are. The last thing that we're going to do is practice that group counting, that skip counting. So we're going to count by 6s up to 60, and then when we get to 60, we'll come backwards, back down, and to 6. So let's start with our 6s, and here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Alrighty, hopefully you were with me. If not, I want you to turn the video off and practice yourself and get there. Alrighty, let's start from 60 and go down by 6s. 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, 6. I find that when I'm doing this, especially backwards, I really have to concentrate in order to not miss a number. All right, let's look at 7s. So we're going to count by 7s to 70. Same thing. Again, if you are not with me all the way to the end, I want you to turn the video off, practice it yourself so that you can stay with me and get really comfortable with this. All right, we're going to go 7s to 70. We'll start with 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. In my head, while I'm doing it, I am also saying times 1, times 2, times 3, so that I'm getting an idea as well. Oh, this is times 7, or whatever that might be. Let's start with 70, go back down. 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7. I'm also using my fingers to count down so that I make sure I'm not missing any of these numbers. The last one we'll do is 9s, and we will go to 90. So we're getting there. You have almost all of your basic facts now with this. So let's start. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. This is not, let me remind you, it's not a race to see how fast you can go. Really, I want you to be thinking every step of the way as we're doing this. All right, let's go back down from 90. 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, 9. Alrighty, there you've done it. Hopefully that worked for you. Keep practicing these and have a good day.